In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze a frame in CapCut on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pause a moment in your video for emphasis, timing, or a cool stylistic effect, all in just a few clicks. Start by launching CapCut on your computer and opening the video you want to edit. If you're starting a new project, import your clip and place it on the timeline so you can see it in the preview panel. Make sure the clip you plan to freeze is selected on the timeline so CapCut knows where to apply the effect. Next, find the exact frame you want to pause. Drag the playhead along the timeline to pinpoint the moment you want to freeze. For accuracy, you can press the spacebar to play and pause, then use the left and right arrow keys to move frame by frame. If you're having trouble landing on the perfect spot, zoom into the timeline using the slider so each frame is easier to target. This helps you hit that precise expression, action, or key detail you want to highlight. With the playhead parked on the correct frame, look at the area above the preview panel and click the freeze button. It looks like a snowflake or freeze symbol. The instant you click it, CapCut automatically inserts a frozen frame at the playhead position. You'll see a new still section appear on your timeline where the freeze begins. This still is a snapshot of the exact frame you chose, so the video visually pauses right there. Now adjust how long that freeze lasts. On the timeline, hover over the edges of the still section until you see the resize cursor, then drag left or right to shorten or extend the pause. Watch the time indicator to set a duration that feels natural for your pacing. If snapping is on, the still will align neatly with nearby edits, which can help keep your timing tight. Keep in mind that the video image is frozen during this section while the rest of your timeline continues, so pay attention to how the audio flows under the pause and adjust if needed. When you're done, press play from a few seconds before the freeze and preview the effect. Make sure the pause lands exactly where you want it and holds for the right amount of time. If it feels too short or too long, simply drag the edges again until it fits your story. That's it. You've created a clean freeze frame in CapCut on PC. Continue editing as needed, and when you're happy with everything, you're ready to move on to your next cuts or export.